Hey guys, Shax here, and in this video, I'll show you how to use VLOOKUP in Google Sheets. To get started, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Google Sheets. Now, open the first web link that comes up in the search results. Once the page loads, click on the Sign In button. You will be prompted to sign into your Google account, and after that, all of your recent projects will be displayed. Next, access the target sheet in which you would like to use the VLOOKUP command. You will see a list of products on the left side of your screen. Simply navigate to the target column where you want to apply the command and paste the following formula. Now, you will need to change a few elements to correct the formula for your specific project. Instead of search key, you will have to insert the item ID. For the range, highlight all of the rows and columns in which you would like to use the command. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse cursor over the desired cells. Instead of index, you will need to use the column number of the results you want to retrieve. For example, I want the item name related to a specific ID, so I will enter the value 2. Finally, type in false instead of sorted and press the enter key to get the specified results. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.